Just a minute, huh, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
लालच जैसा कोई और भोग नहीं, अच्छा स्वप्न जैसे कोई और आभूष नहीं, और सत्य जैसे और कोई सुख नहीं।
1 minute, huh, beta. It's not presenting. I don't know why. Let me check it once more.
Ma'am, in Nishad ma'am lectures also not present, and
Now you can see, girls.
yeah, ma'am, it's now it's
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now it's
yes, ma'am, now
present.
it's ma'am, now
Yes,
it can see.
Malkani was one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Malkani, read the
Multiply,
question.
choose
Multiplying
questions.
multiple choice questions.
Multiple choice questions. Number one.
Yes.
Who broke the statue made by Britishers in Megraj village?
Hmm. Yes. What will be the answer?
Poonam
Options
Chand
read karo.
Pandya.
Options: Vinod Singh, BP Kumar, Ranjit Singh, Poonam Chand Pandya. What will be the answer?
And Poonam Chand Pandya.
Yes, absolutely right. Poonam Chand Pandya. All of you have written that answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
Yes,
two.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
On which festival did the Britishers erect the statue at the center of Megraj village?
Hmm.
Ramnavami,
Ram
Diwali,
Navami.
Ramnavami, Diwali, Janmashtami, Holi. Answer is Holi.
Yes, answer will be what, beta?
Holi.
Holi.
Holy.
Holi. Yes, Britishers erected the statue at Meghraj village on Holi, right?
Holy.
Hmm. Very good. Everyone has written no Holi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. We have written.
Very good. Chalo, next
Who
one.
Number three. Who congratulated the child for averting the train accident? Train driver, ticket checker, guard, station master.
What
Ma'am,
will
I
be
know
the answer?
answer.
Ma'am,
Guard.
I
Answer
know
is
answer.
guard.
Guard. Guard.
Yes.
Guard.
Yes, very good.
Answer is
God.
God.
Hmm.
God.
Answer is guard.
God. God.
Very
Number
good.
four. Which gas has increased in the atmosphere due to the trees becoming less?
Hmm.
I know.
Carbon
Options?
dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Ma'am,
Yes.
carbon
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 dioxide.
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 Carbon
Yes.
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide
Ma'am,
means
carbon dioxide.
Answer is
CO2.
carbon dioxide.
Yes, CO2.
CO2.
Number five. Which vehicle fuel which vehicle fuel is pollution free? Answer.
Kerosene.
Kerosene, CNG, diesel, petrol. Answer is CNG.
Absolutely right
CNG.
answer is
Yes,
CNG.
Ma'am, CNG.
CNG.
Yes, very good.
number
Next
6.
one.
Which pollution takes
Priority.
priority
Priority.
priority over other man-made problems? Mark
Voice. Voice.
air, water, noise, or land? Answer is
Yes.
water.
What will be the
Water.
answer?
Water.
Water.
Yes,
Water.
Water.
absolutely
Water.
right.
Water.
Absolutely right. All of you have written right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hmm. Yes,
Filling the
next.
blanks. Number 1. The credit of success of Satyagrah movement in Bardoli district of Gujarat goes to
Sardar
Sardar
Vallabhbhai
Vallabhbhai
Patel.
Patel or
Yes.
Poonam Chand
Sardar
Pandya?
Vallabhbhai
Sardar
Answer
Patel.
is
Vallabhbhai
Sardar
Patel.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai
Yes.
Answer Sardar
Patel.
Very
Vallabhbhai
good.
Patel.
Very
Sardar
good.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good. All of you have written right.
Number 2. One who dies for his faith or belief in his country or city or village is called citizen
Martyr.
or martyr.
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 He is called a
Answer
martyr.
is
Martyr.
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 Yes, martyr means जो शहीद हो जाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Martyr. Right?
Martyr.
Martyr.
Very good.
Number 3. To honor the act
बेटा
of
honor नहीं
bravery.
बोलते. Honor नहीं बोलते. To honor. Okay? H is silent.
To
Honor.
honor the act of bravery by children up to 16 years of age. Dash Award was declared in the year 1987.
Bharat.
Bharat,
Bharat.
Bharat or
Yes.
Mata.
भारत.
Bharat.
Answer is
Yeah.
Bharat.
Answer is Bharat.
भारत मतलब
Bharat.
16 इयर्स तक के बच्चे के जो भी ब्रेवरी का वर्क किया है टू देम द अवार्ड इज अवार्ड गिवन दैट इज भारत अवार्ड. ओके.
Number 4. Dash disease is caused due to air pollution.
Asthma.
Asthma.
Yes.
Asthma.
Asthma.
Vomiting. Answer is
Asthma.
asthma.
अस्थमा.
Asthma.
Mama asthma.
अस्थमा इज व्हाट प्रॉब्लम इज अस्थमा में क्या होता है? ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम. ओके. सो एयर पोल्यूशन से अस्थमा. Sometimes air pollution में इतना there is so much bad smell you feel like vomiting also. But generally, vomiting is not caused due to air pollution. It is caused because of your stomach disorder, something you have ate wrong, or something is going wrong at that time in your health, right? But asthma is mainly caused due to air pollution. Okay.
Number 5. Due to increase in the amount of dash in the atmosphere, the problem of
Global.
global warming has arisen. The option CO2 or O2.
CO2.
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 What is
CO2.
what
Carbon
does your
dioxide.
CO2 and
Carbon
O2
dioxide.
means?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
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 dioxide.
dioxide.
CO2 means carbon dioxide.
And the other one O2 means?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Absolutely right.
Oxide.
Oxygen. Very
Oxygen.
good. Yes. Next, Malkani.
True or false? Number 1. Crackers should be burst
Burst
on
नहीं
a
burst.
large scale for, for celebrating Diwali.
False.
False. It should
False.
not be
False.
burst
False.
on a large. Yes,
False.
it should not be burst on a large scale for celebrating, right? Because it was
Yes, ma'am, it's false. It's false.
Number 2.
Yes.
Water from gutters should be used to grow vegetables.
False. False.
True or false?
False. False.
False. Yes, it is false. Water from gutters should be used to grow vegetables. No, it is false, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3. To minimize the adverse effects of noise pollution, bushes with thick
Foliage.
foliage should be grown on both sides of the roads.
True.
Yes, it is true, right? Noise pollution. Yes, noise pollution gets consumed a little because of the trees on the roads of both the sides, right? Honking of the vehicles. Apart from that, sometimes some vehicles also produce noise, right?
Number
Yes.
4.
Next.
We must serve our motherland, and if we need to sacrifice our life for its protection, we must not hesitate.
True.
Yes.
Answer is
Yes.
true.
Yes. Anytime. Yes. Very good. Anytime if any need arises for our motherland, भारत माता हमारी धरती के लिए, राइट, हमारे देश के लिए, राइट. तो we should sacrifice, right, and our life also and our things also for its protection, right. We must never hesitate.
Question
Ma'am,
answer.
can I answer of this?
Yes, answer better.
Okay, ma'am. Who broke the statue of Laji Ben? Punamchand Pandya and his friends broke the statue of Laji at the night,
At the previous night.
at the previous night of Holi.
Very good. And so people were very happy, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Next.
can I say next one, Muskan?
Yes,
Who
Muskan
is
say.
Can I, Muskan?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I,
Muskan.
Mahreen?
Mary, third one you say, okay? Second one
Okay, ma'am.
Muskan say.
Second one. Who is a martyr? Who is a martyr? Answer. One who suffers death in defense, faith or belief in his country or city or village is called martyr.
Martyr. Yes, very good. जो अपने देश के
Thank
लिए,
you,
अपने
ma'am.
सिटी के लिए, very good Muskan. शहीद हो जाए, dies, suffers death is called a martyr.
Martyr.
Yes. Continue, beta.
Now can I say?
Yes, ma'am. Question
Can
number
I,
four.
can I?
Mahreen?
Mehreen will say Mehreen.
Yes, ma'am. Question
Aisha.
हाँ, Mehreen के बाद आयशा, हाँ.
Question number 3. What did Chandrasekhar say to the court about his name? Chandrasekhar said to the court about his name Azad.
Yes, that his name was Azad, right? Chandrasekhar said that his name was Azad. Very good, Chalo. Yes, Aisha say. Aisha? Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, she joined.
Chalo, fast we sing number fourth one.
Can I, Muskan? Ma'am, can
हाँ,
I,
Muskan.
Mahreen?
Mehreen say.
Ma'am, I want to. Number 4. Which disease are caused due to dust particles floating in air?
Yes, say which diseases are caused. Hello? Why you are taking so long?
Ma'am, can I say answer?
हाँ, say बेटा.
This is like old.
Ma'am, can I, Mahreen?
Which
Very good, chalo. Yes, Mehreen, what you have written say?
are caused
Ma'am,
by
I want to say.
Hmm?
the air.
Ma'am, can I dust particles floating in air cause cough, cold, and eye disease.
Yes, and eye disease is very good. Chalo. Now, last answer.
Ma'am, can I, Mahreen? Ma'am, Muskan.
Yes, Mehreen
Ma'am,
say.
can I question not ma'am question?
Yes, beta say.
Ma'am, can I which water source are polluted by water from a gas?
From gutters. It is gutters.
Gutters. Ma'am, can I say answer, Mahreen?
Let
Ma'am,
her
I am
answer. Kusum
saying.
is answering, no?
Answer.
Ma'am, you
I know.
river, lakes, ponds, underground water is polluted by water from gutters.
Ma'am,
Very good
Mary
question.
is speaking in between when someone is speaking.
Yes,
Mehreen.
ma'am. Marin and Aisha both are speaking in between and saying answer, not that.
Yes, okay, okay. Chalo, everyone got the answers?
Yes, ma'am,
Now,
ma'am, ma'am.
now
Ma'am, my
listen.
all answer is right.
Now listen.
My answer is
Listen. Listen.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
in 1 minute again I am presenting my screen by opening my presentation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, forum ma'am.
Bolo.
My all answer is right.
All answer is right.
Whose all answers are right?
Ma'am, my
Sayyida.
Khadija. Ma'am, my Kulsum.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
Iman.
my
Iman.
Khadija.
Ma'am, my all
My
answer was right,
Khadija.
Iman.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
all
my
answer
one
is right.
was wrong.
Which one was wrong?
Ma'am, in true or false? In true or false?
अच्छा क्या रॉन्ग हुआ?
मैम वो आप स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करोगे ना तब मैं बताओ.
But say no like that only say.
Ma'am, in that,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
think we must serious.
हाँ?
Ma'am, I think Rifat is saying that we must see, serve our mother. मैम वो बोल रहे हैं कि उसका एक true or false wrong.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, रॉन्ग हुआ है तो कोई बात नहीं, नथिंग टू वरी. ओके.
ma'am.
वन मिनट है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is not there.
1 minute beta, that is what my presentation is not getting open today.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Ma'am, now. Ma'am, but your lecture
1 minute.
is here. Only
Ma'am,
1 minute beta, it is not getting open. Let me see what has gone wrong. Okay, so last class we started about our three-tier system, Panchayat Raj system, right? Now we will go
yes,
ahead with that. Okay.
ma'am, you don't send PDF in group.
Yes. So we were doing Panchayat Raj system.
Panchayat Raj
Okay.
system. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, yes.
Our
We
Panchayat lesson number 4.
lesson
Ma'am,
number
can
4.
I read?
No, no one will read. Mute your mic. Now we all know that we rule our country, right? And our country has become independent. Our government has formed and panchayat has come into existence. So work of people in local areas can become easy, right? And we know about our institutions which are working in villages and in cities, right? Now we will see
Yes,
about the panchayats, okay? The panchayat will exist in our country, okay? Now, what it is written here? There is a, sorry, there is a three tiers in the, we in which institutions like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat comes, okay? Which are they? I'll show you 1 minute. I'll open my whiteboard, okay? Now see here. This is the three-tier system. First tier you can see. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes, ma'am.
Gram Panchayat. What it is?
Gram
Gram
Panchayat.
Panchayat.
Yes, this is the Gram Panchayat. The first tier is of Gram Panchayat. Okay. What it is?
Gram Panchayat.
Yes, GP, Gram
Gram Panchayat.
Panchayat. Okay. Now we will see the second tier. Okay. This is the Taluka. Everyone can see no my whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the Taluka Panchayat, this tier. Okay, second tier. This is what? Gram. First tier is Gram Panchayat. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Understood? See, this is inside first tier is of Gram Panchayat. second tier is of taluka panchayat, and the third one, this one, the third tier is of zilla panchayat. What it is? Zilla,
Zilla Panchayat.
yes, zilla
Zilla
panchayat. Okay,
Panchayat.
yes. Now this gram panchayat, taluka panchayat, and zilla panchayat, all these three panchayat is known as three tier system of our panchayat. What it is known as?
Three
Three
tier
tiers of
system.
Panchayat.
Yes, three tier system of our panchayat. Okay. Now this three tier, okay, three tier system of panchayat is again decided on what beta? The most important thing. कोई भी पंचायत का फॉर्मेशन किस हिसाब से होगा? ऑन द बेसिस, सॉरी, on the basis of its population. What it is formed on the basis
Population.
of its
Population.
population. जैसे जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन होती है वैसे वहाँ की फॉर्मेशन होती है. सो बेटा ग्राम पंचायत कहाँ पे फॉर्म होती है? वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज लेस. कहाँ फॉर्म होती है? वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज लेस. नाउ ग्राम पंचायत से मतलब इन विलेज एरियाज. फिर थोड़ी और पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा हो तो वहां पे तालुका पंचायत की फॉर्मेशन होती है. Then more population, then Zilla Panchayat is formed. But all these are interlinked. What are they, beta? They are
Interlinked.
connected. Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat. Okay, these all are interlinked. Okay, ग्राम पंचायत में पॉपुलेशन भले कम हो, बट अगर ग्राम पंचायत को पैसे की जरूरत पड़ी तो दे विल टेक फ्रॉम तालुका पंचायत और जिला पंचायत. Okay, Zilla Panchayat can offer the loans, can offer funds to the development of the Gram Panchayat, because most probably ग्राम पंचायत का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होता है?
Less
विलेज एरियाज.
population.
हाँ, लेस पॉपुलेशन एंड विलेज एरियाज. तो विलेज एरियाज में बेसिकली क्या होता है?
Agriculture.
यस, एग्रीकल्चर.
Agriculture.
Yes, agriculture. Now in India, 70% to 80% people are engaged in agriculture work. In which work are they engaged, beta? In agriculture work. Yes.
Agriculture.
And these people live where?
Village.
विलेज.
Village.
तो अब विलेज
Village.
का ध्यान रखना हमारे इंडिया के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
भले
Yes,
वहां
ma'am.
पे
Yes, ma'am.
पॉपुलेशन लेस हो, but still there is requirement to handle it, right? So beta, in this lesson we are going to study about our three tier structure of our panchayat, of our what? Our
Panchayat.
panchayat. Yes, what are their works? What, how do they work? What are the benefits of panchayat? Who is the head of this panchayat? And all this we are going to learn in our this lesson. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read this slide, beta.
Ma'am.
Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. Panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of three tiers in which institutes like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Zilla Panchayat are included, in which Gram Panchayat for villages and municipality or municipal corporation works to manage cities. These institutes are very important for all of us. For proper administration, better work is done with the help of representatives of people. Various parts are made on the basis of population.
Yes, very good. So, where does panchayat system exist, beta? It exists in our country, right? Where this system or
Yes, ma'am.
is of three tiers, as I explained you on the whiteboard. Understood? Which are
Yes,
those?
ma'am.
Which are those?
Gram Panchayat, Taluka
Gram
Panchayat and
Panchayat,
Jilla
Taluka
Panchayat.
Panchayat, and Jilla Panchayat.
Yes. And what is it known as?
Population.
What is known as three-tier system? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And on what basis the division is done? On what basis the division is done? On the basis of population, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
For a ma'am, on the basis of population.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done that.
Now, beta, where there is more population, like in city areas, right? We live in Bhavnagar, right? So there is more population. So when there is more population, there is a municipality or municipal corporation which works to manage cities. What does it work to manage?
Cities.
Yes, it works to manage cities.
And
Okay?
ma'am, and ma'am, ma'am, I have doubt.
Now, bolo.
Ma'am, I don't understand the Panchayat Raj. What is the meaning of the Panchayat?
Panchayat means the management. See, India is a very big country. In the last class also I explained you same thing. Okay, India is a very big country where the population is also a very more, right? So there needs to be a management and administrative system to handle all these things.
Mole,
As I
mole.
gave you the
Yes.
example of your school,
Okay.
remember or
Yeah.
forgot?
Yes, ma'am. You had
Ma'am,
given example.
ma'am,
What
but I was
example?
not there because I had to go into.
What example did I give, Muskan?
Yes, ma'am.
You had given
That
that in our school that in our school
teacher have make monitor that it
yes
can
ma'am,
handle the class.
teacher teacher
Who
had
is
made
make
monitor so it can
silent,
handle everything and
doing work properly.
ma'am I am speaking so Muskan is speaking.
Iman, but you were there in that class. I remember. In my attendance list, your name is there, beta.
Yes ma'am I was there. I says that when I go outside then you take so when Muskan tell no so I thought that I was there. I know.
Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in big cities, okay, in big cities where the population is more, right? Municipality or municipal corporations are formed. What are formed, beta?
Municipality and municipality copiers form.
Corporations are formed for the management of the
Manage the
cities.
city.
Yes.
Works to
These,
manage city. Okay.
yes. These institutes are very important for all of us. What are they, beta? They are very helpful, yes, for all of us. And for proper administration, better work is done with the help of representatives of the people.
Ma'am,
Now,
can you come in 2 minutes? I
various parts are made on the basis of population. As I said you first only, on what various parts are made? On the basis of
Population.
population. पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से ही सारा काम होता है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Yes. So what is formed in our country?
Panchayat.
Yes, panchayat system exists in our country, right? This
Yes, ma'am.
system is of three tiers. What is this system? Of three tiers. How many
Three
tiers?
tires.
Yes, three tiers.
Three tires.
Yes. And in which Gram Panchayat for villages. Gram Panchayat is formed for what, beta? For villages. And municipality or municipal corporation works to manage cities. Okay. What does it work to manage? It works to manage cities. Right? Yes. Now, this various parts are formed on the basis of population. On the basis of what? On the basis of population. Okay.
Population.
Now panchayats are working for what beta? Panchayats are working to solve the problems. To solve what? To solve the local problems speedily. Okay. For what are they working? To solve the local problems speedily. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ ना समझ में आया हो ऐसा?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, once who was saying right now? No, ma'am.
I
Who is it? What is your name, beta? Can you revise this paragraph for us?
I said no, ma'am. Muskan.
Yes, Muskan. Can you revise this?
Yes, ma'am. Panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of three tiers in which institutes like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat are included, in which Gram Panchayat for villages and municipality or municipal corporation works to manage cities. These institutes are very important for all of us. For proper administration, better work is done with the help representatives of people. Various parts are made on the basis of population.
Yes, understood. And
Yes,
panchayats are working. Yes, panchayats are working for what, beta? For what? To solve the local problems. Okay, and with speedily. With what, beta? With speedily. As
steadily.
I said, yes, if there is a monitor in your class, what will he or she do? She will try to solve your problems. Yes, yes or no? They
Yes,
will
ma'am.
represent it to the teacher.
Yes.
Yes, same way. All these panchayats are working to solve the local problems of whom, beta? Of the people. Of the people. Is it clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, chalo. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Muskan, Kulsum, Imran,
No,
Sarmali,
no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Lakhanya,
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No,
Farhana,
ma'am. No
was
doubt.
there? Farhana, Farheen. Any doubt?
No,